Hi and welcome to rjpasini.com. My name is Rich Pasini. Thank you for tuning in. Today is Sunday, September 23rd, 2018. I'm doing something a little different here. I'm not so sure if I'm saying the word properly, but it's gourd tapiri. And for those who like to do outdoor decorations, especially for the fall, they like to be as people like to be very creative. So I'm just going to scroll down the pages here, show you this little project that I came across. Outside of getting the news alerts, you all know, for those who are new, I do the reseller news as well. And I get different news, different emails and things of that nature that I feel may be of interest to you guys, and I like to share it with you. As I stated in my other videos, I will be putting up new and fresh content, something different. I'm not going to just be focusing on one particular topic, so I hope you guys don't mind. I hope you'll stick around because it could range from anything, folks, for men and women. It could range from cars to boats or whatever it may be. Not that I own a boat, but I'll be covering different topics. So I hope you guys will find this interesting, especially if you're looking to do something for the fall. So I'm just going to scroll down here, and I'm not going to be doing any talking, but I will let you, check it out for yourself. The other thing, too, just to give you a website, in case you're wondering where I get my information from, this is from www.hometalk.com, and they have different projects and stuff like that. And I thought you guys might be interested, especially women. They may want to, decorate the house for fall. And it seems like a nice little fall project. I'm even interested in doing it myself, to be honest with you. So I'm going to, scroll the pages down, and I will be adding music in the background, so I hope you don't mind. But check it out, and here we go. So we'll scroll down here, and I'm not going to be talking for the remainder. Probably towards the end, I will just close the video out. So enjoy. Well, there you have it, folks. I hope you like it. I hope it's something that you might want to consider doing. And if you do like this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit notification bell if you do want to get updates on new things I be putting out, posting new stuff. So you're going to need to hit that notification bell if you want to be updated. Thanks again, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Until next time. Bye-bye now.